Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to see your Uber ride history and receipts. Perfect if you need to track past trips or expenses in 2025. First, open the Uber app and make sure you sign in. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then select trips. Here you'll see your entire ride history, every trip you've taken with Uber. Tap on any ride to view the details like date, pick up and drop off locations, and fare. To view or download your receipt, just scroll down and select Receipt or View Receipt. You can even have it emailed to you automatically if you set up notifications. If you're using a computer, you can also go to the Uber website and check your trips under your trips after signing in. And that's it. That's how to see your Uber ride history and receipts quickly and easily for 2025.